Idatosat Federal Constituency of Imo State. I'm from Akokwa. So, Mr. Speaker, I'm coming under Order 6, Rule 125, and Section 12 of Legislative Houses, Powers and Privileges Act, that we went to Port Harcourt on oversight function as members of Local Content Committee. Mr. Speaker, if you go to page 38 of the directory, the membership of Local Content Committee, we are not members of Local Content Committee. And Mr. Speaker, we did not go to any oversight function, not to talk of politicizing oversight function. Mr. Speaker, a group of like minds on our own, Mr. Speaker, not on behalf of the House, went on a Thanksgiving service in Port Harcourt to celebrate Governor Fubara's 1 year of transformational leadership. Mr. Speaker, and that was also published in all the newspapers, including the newspaper cited by my colleague when he raised the point of order. That is Sun newspaper, where he said we went on Thanksgiving. Mr. Speaker, he deliberately and maliciously spread falsehood on the floor of this parliament when he said we went for oversight function, thereby committing contempt of parliament and misleading this parliament. All of us that went to Port Harcourt here, about 40 of us, specifically mobilized ourselves and went to Port Harcourt for the sole purpose of celebrating with Governor Fubara for his transformational leadership and not politicization of oversight function. That was belittling of our status. And Mr. Speaker, we are asking that this privilege that have been abused should be addressed in line with the provisions of Order 6, Rule 5, Order 6, Rule 1 and 2, and Section 12 of the Legislative Privileges Act, which says that any person who presents to a legislative house any false, untrue, fabricated or falsified documents with intent to deceive shall be guilty of an offense and shall be liable to conviction, to imprisonment for 12 months, and also removed as a member of a legislative house. Mr. Speaker, I so move.
Okay, Paul.